Oh, fingers crossed this time. Something's still not right. Frustrating. Definitely teething problems again. Hi folks, and welcome back. Okay folks, well I've made a few small adjustments, and off camera I've actually changed the petrol pipe because this one was perishing. So let's hope and wish me luck that the bike goes this time. Oh, keep trying. Give the plugs another clean. Doesn't sound like the petrol's getting through. It's definitely not the plugs. It'll be something small and stupid, because there's nothing else left to fix. Well folks, I'm not sure why the bike won't start. Tried everything I know. It sounds to me like there's still petrol not getting through. No, I'm not happy. I'm going to have to take another look at these carbs, because I'm sure the petrol's not getting through. Something is still amiss. So there was loads of petrol pouring out that tank. Okay, let's see if I can figure out what's going wrong. Still dirt coming out, little bits of yuck at the bottom there. Well, really nice and clean this time. Okay, I'll get these back on the bike and I'll keep trying until I get the bike running. Okay folks, well I've got some brand new petrol pipe. I think the second pipe was just as decayed as the original one. It's a crazy colour, but I like how you can see through it, which might be handy. Yeah. So. Okay, I'll get everything back on the bike and we'll try starting it again. Okay, that's on prime, so we should be able to see the petrol going through the pipe. Ready? Here we go. Well, here we go again. No, don't do this to your bike, please. Oh, this is so frustrating. There's nothing worse. Well, I'm sorry folks, it's a complete failure. Oh, disaster. Well folks, this is just a disaster. Oh, if I don't laugh, I'll cry. So, to be continued once I work out what's wrong. Thanks for watching. Not the result we wanted.